Instagram is one of the most popular apps today, used by millions of people all around the globe. So what if you could actually get paid by using it? Believe it or not, in today's video, I'll be showing you the best way to make money with Instagram. But in order for this to work, you need to be patient and watch this video all the way to the end, so you don't miss any of the sites and tips and tricks. Now, if you want to see the best way to make money online and how we make money online, then click the first link in the description down below. But you can still use the strategy from this tutorial. Your first step that you need to take is to create your brand new Instagram account, which you will then set up as a page. And it can literally be a page about anything. It can be related to animals, for example. So a cat or dog fan page or something. It can be related to memes, it can be related to sports. So a basketball page, for example. It doesn't make any difference. Because in this video, we won't be promoting anything as an affiliate or whatever. As an example, I created an animal page, as you can see. Now what you need to do with this page is optimize it according to the niche it is in. So set up a profile picture and a bio. And that's it. Your next step now is to come over to the next platform, which is none other than socialtrading.com. Now, don't click off this video right now, because this is not the only platform I will be showing you today. And using social trading alone won't get you paid. So keep watching. For those of you who don't know, let me briefly explain what this site is about. Social Trading is a website where you can buy and sell Instagram accounts. And what we will be doing here is selling our Instagram accounts. Don't worry, you don't have to buy them. Now you might be thinking, if we are selling our Instagram accounts, how can we do so if it doesn't have any followers? Well, I got you covered. As in this video, I will literally show you how to build an Instagram page with a couple 1000 followers within minutes and then sell it to make a big profit. You will see the amount of money you will be able to make, and trust me, you will be amazed. Also, I won't tell you to buy fake followers, as that won't work. You will need real followers in order to make money with this website. In any case, if you scroll down, you will be able to see for how much money people are selling their Instagram accounts. And just check this out. This account has 3000 followers and it's being sold for $150. So with just 3000 followers, you can sell this and earn over $100 with these accounts with more or less followers. You can see some really big pages being sold for thousands of dollars. So there's huge potential here to make a lot of money. And as you will now see, it is very easy to do so. So that's it. As you know, we need followers in order to sell our page. And there are 3 ways to obtain them. One is free, and with the other 2, you have to invest a tiny bit of money into it, but it is far more effective. Let me go ahead and show you the free way first. What you will need to do is find different pages similar to your own. You will do that just by typing in hashtag and then your niche. So if you're in the sports niche, type in hashtag sports or hashtag football and so on and so forth. As you know, I'm in the animal niche. So I typed in hashtag cats. As you can see, the reason you want to do this is because it will now show you posts from various people about cats. Why is this important? Well, because the likes on said post, the comments, and the followers are all cat and animal lovers. So chances are, they will want to follow me as well. For that to happen, I just have to follow them. And I will appear in their notifications. The majority of them will follow me back, because we know that they are already following a page that is quite similar to mine as well. Now what you can do is follow the people who liked the post and commented on it. But the best way, however, is just to go to the page in question, click on the followers here, and just follow all these people, and within like 20 minutes, you will be following hundreds of people. And most of them will have followed you back by then. This, as you can see, is a bit of a long process. And a very important fact is that, if you follow too many people too quickly, Instagram will prevent you from doing so, for like a few hours or something. So, it could potentially take a couple of days for you to rack up enough followers in order to sell your page. But as you've seen, it does pay off big time and could result you in earning hundreds of dollars while not having to invest any money into it. Now in order for people to follow you, you will need posts on your page. The site that you have to use is called pexels.com. This site will allow you to download photos for absolutely free and use them however you want to, with full rights. So you won't get taken down for copyright. The alternative to this, just to use downloadgram.com and download the photos other people are uploading on Instagram and then credit them when you post the photo. Both of these options are good, but I would recommend just using Downloadgram as it takes less effort. Since you don't have to find good photos, and you just download ones that other people are posting. In any case, this is the first and also free way to get followers for your page, so you can then sell it. The second way involves a site called influencercard.com. On this site, you can find people who run big pages on Instagram, who will promote your own page for a very small amount of money. Believe it or not, this works like crazy, because if you have a page with like 50,000 followers and they promote, you just get 10% of people actually following you, means you got 5,000 followers in an instant. Furthermore, this page offers, as you can see, a lot of different categories. And this is why I said in the beginning that it doesn't matter what your page is about. As you can see, we have a pets and animal category here. And here's the best part, you will easily find pages with thousands of followers that will promote you for as little as $5. This page called Husky Forevers has over 90,000 followers and will promote us for a price of $10. If you remember the prices over on social media, you will know that you just need a couple 1,000 followers in order to get paid over $100. So this has huge potential. And the amount of money you invest is crazy small. And this is just one page, in one category, I found. There are most likely others that offer an even better deal. Now, as I know, some of you will say, this is not a free way to do this. But it can pay off big time. In case you don't have any money to invest into this, you can build a page for free, like I showed you previously, and then sell it for like $50 or $100. You then have to create another page, invest some of the money here to get promoted, and then sell that same page for more money. You can do this over and over again, racking up a lot of money without investing a lot of work. Anyway, the third and last way you can do this is by simply buying real followers. And the best website for that is called viralrace.com. If you don't want to invest your money by promoting your Instagram account and you just need to get followers right away, then Viral Race is perfect for you. It will get you real followers quickly and for a cheap price. Or you can check the first link in the description to grow your page and make thousands of dollars from your page itself. But in any case, whichever method you prefer, one thing applies for all of them. If you are a beginner and don't have any skills or have never made money online, this is one of the easiest and best ways to do it. Well, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want to keep up to date with all the upcoming videos, then make sure to click the red subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video.